North Carolina oysters are more than just a tasty appetizer. They go far beyond the plate to provide valuable ecosystem benefits. They feed marine life, improve water quality, and provide safe habitat for other nesting species. But overharvesting of these salty crustaceans has compromised the functioning of their reefs. In an effort to reverse this trend, a community of retirees, together with marine science students, are building and restoring oyster reefs in waters off the North Carolina coast. The program was inspired by Taylor Ryan, a retired IBM executive who, together with the former chairman of New York's Adirondack Park Agency, sought to improve the water quality in oyster habitats near the retirement community of St. James Plantation.
I heard that each oyster cleans 30 to 50 gallons of water per day. And I said we could do something with that, and we started a project to build oyster reefs in the ICW. Since then, we've added another 7 or 8 reefs that we continually replenish each year with the help of the UNCW interns and from the Center of Marine Science.
Every summer, these retirees team up with college students, about 100 altogether, reintroducing some 125 bushels of cleaned and prepared oyster shells into the intercoastal waterway in nearby creek beds. They build new reefs for oyster breeding and other marine species habitats. And they revisit and repair reefs established in previous summers and plant spartina grass along the banks of the intercoastal for erosion control and improved water quality. UNCW sophomore Madison Little has worked on the reef since she was in high school and visited the area for a summer camp.
The successes we have seen here on the reefs is growth of the marsh. The spartina grass that the community planted last summer is really successful. It's growing and moving towards the shore, and you can especially tell behind the reefs that it's really healthy. On the reefs, there is a great abundance of oysters and associated fauna such as mussels, crabs, and polychaetes, so this tells us that the reefs are healthy and doing well.
Our interns have come out on a monthly basis to assess how well the reef restorations have gone, as well as how well the marsh plantings are developing. The community there is really interested to hear what the findings are from the students and to get some sort of assessment and feedback on how well these activities are working.
The community outreach that this oyster restoration program has provided has sparked a statewide environmental initiative.
It's a valued collaborative effort between local and state entities. The North Carolina Division of Marine Fisheries is hoping to replicate this program in other communities along North Carolina coast. It's a terrific way to get citizens involved in helping to rebuild our oyster fishery, which in return help filter our waters and provide a buffer for shoreline erosion.
St. James volunteers and the UNCW Marine Science Center students will reunite this summer to continue their good work building new reefs and restoring those built over the past 7 summers.